enwere ụdị ife ndị mmadụ agwabeghị m n'ụwa. Enwere ife ha agwabere m. Some of them they don't care about me. And I'm agulu, some of you na-ebute problem. Health-wise, it is stronger than me. Man, some of us are they show weakness. And I'm a steady see, oh no, say me phone you rather me say sorry. If for some of us on our church say why sorry, we go through a lot. In a mania, I'm weak, I'm tired. Oh now I am the abro na I am the. And when big eyes, I'm not due to weakness. No one gets an agent percentage. When you have covered no why. None of my belly are rather an agent percentage. As them have come forward. And when but a mother no why. What a issue need a fundraising and see an ego motor ego flight. As in Chile can need to see on your rather on your ego. Yapot up my lineage. My brother and Kessamon Basana, rather on me and I honor like Zenith Kidney Center Abuja. Go on 1 million naira can wear bar flight to the natural. You see, you go near 1 million naira. Before your brother or your mother make kidney issue, a knock at a go bomb on a phone, Simon Nana Bunny. Move 20,000 naira go to Milingo, Mom will go to recharge card or recharge your phone. Imeria, in a junior 1 million, Makana, one day with problem. Ni ye shiri mi ke no one and now one pro maka 1 million naira. Maybe them 1 million naira about no kita. Before I'm born money, poor money to I gave you 1 million. I don't get me you could 1 million, then with chance and I got some up on your back. I didn't make a better madam. I saw good delichuku. Mera na yahu chukucho, may you please my conscience, curiosity. I go on a few people near Kutom. You click a profile in that Kutom. Unfuna on the go put tell you one problem or the other wasn't able to do it. Or they are easy. Yeah, for a men, yeah, on a has my life mentally. In a height of mental concentration. In it, read you with me. In my emotional touch on them. It takes a lot, or it is easy. I go through a lot. I'm a podcast in the Grant in Bossa. And say I'm depressed. I say I should say about it's true. Obronyo church. Go be the ma. I beg all of us again. Nigeria had the Roma. Nigeria is difficult. Mana budget nene baby budget. Ayoba kwa kage siwe bona take back. Is a problem. About in front of visa Canada, in front of visa USA, in front of visa Germany, in front of visa Netherlands, in front of visa Australia, in front of visa South Korea, in front of visa Japan. Ejekwana. And about the full visa problem, no category of visa ifo. About even in Germany with 1 week visa, 2 weeks visa. Ome expire, Bulgatin and get deport. Does it make sense? What I do is very difficult. But I will continue to say, Chineke odigema, yadema, odikwa gemma is alumoku. Abogomumbo too much. Problem wherever personally, personal problem wherever noketa. Inyem 200 million naira man solve me. Afugo me ife. Adugo mentally, emotionally, physically. Psychologically broken no where you ma fube no wow people e mego maaro but ye na akasi mo bibo na ndị fọmọ na anya kale and ndị na na-ekwu to onye nke ịkpọ kịta nwere iwe ife nwe meaningful ọ ga-ekwu oh jealousy why o ji bụrụ ya ị na-afụ ihe ọma Chineke mere na ndụ m iwe na-ewe gị I pray na Chineke ga-eme ka ime inherit akwa na-ebe n'ime abalị the pain na-eri without anybody knowing. If onye go moto iwe wesabi ya anya ọkụ ọ bụ na ihe ọjọọ na-eme na ndụ onye a na a ga-eji esikwa na akenye gị onye isi chọọ ikete moto. I wonder. I don't know where we go from here. Man, ọ dịrị easy. Afụrụ onye akọlụ